how to complete offer task in Sprout Gigs. Hello guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can complete the offer task of Sprout Gigs. The most important things to follow to complete the offer task is you have to follow the on-screen instruction properly. So, let's see how we can complete our offer task. First things first, you have to log into your Sprout Gigs account. Then you will find survey and offers in the header menu. Click on it. Then click browse surveys and offers. Now you will be redirected to a page that contains the offers available for you. You can see these offers are paying difference in different amount. This is 0.40 cents, and here is this is for $12, as you can see, and they are also added some instruction, and you can see the reviews. Please check the review first, then complete the offer, because when you find a offer that have zero reviews, that's mean it could be failed. Now let's complete offer here. You can also click on view all offers to view the all offers available for you at that time. Then select one of these that you like to complete. Just click on it and you will find some instructions and complete these instructions properly. Now here they're saying aid a heroic being on an eco mission to purify woods, tackle obstacles, collect litter, and champion nature's revival. Dive in and green the scene. Install the app and successfully reach destination levels 200, 500, 700, 900, and 1000 to earn rewards. There is the rewards for the levels, just like 500 for if you reach at the 500 level, and then you will get 0.19 cents. There are so many surveys available here. As you can see, this is a survey offer. Here they are saying that unlimited services are available to complete earned credits every time you complete the survey. And also click on activity to see the activity of the members that are completing the service and the reviews here. Now let's complete offer. I'm choosing this, and remember, follow this instruction properly. If you missed out any of this point, you won't get paid by Sprout Gigs. So complete those steps or instructions that are given by Sprout. So complete these steps properly and the instructions given by them. Now click on this button, go to the offer, and you will be land on the offer page. Then the steps like get the app, open the app, and use the app for a few minutes, and they will pay out 6 cents. Now they are saying they will send you this offer to your mobile device to install this app. Now you can enter your email to get the link for this app that are available on Play Store. Just like this, if we search for this app and we'll find this app in the Play Store, just install it and log in and play for a few minutes. Then when you complete the steps properly, you can claim a completion review from here, and they will be judge your completion. If every steps are fulfilled by you properly, then they will pay you 6 cents, as you can see here. That's how you can complete a offer or service from Sprouts. And also you can see the earned money from here at the home screen. Top of this home screen you will find the earned money that you have earned by completing these offers. Also, you can find your referral program here. You can also earn by referring your friends or other peoples. You get 5% from each deposit and task. You can also get a overview of your completions, task, and earnings. Here, as you can see in this my survey and offer section, you can find the completed offers number, completed surveys, and earning last 30 days and total earning, and you can get the list of the offers that you have started or that you have completed. You can click on view more to see all of the offers that you started, and then you can click on go to offer to go to the offer page. That's the whole overview of your survey and offers. Please be aware and careful from the first system. Some of these offers in Sprout Gigs are not paying out, so you must need to check the offers first, the reviews and the ratings, then you can complete the offers. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Till then, goodbye.